Aloha everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. Today we are going to be doing an update for my weight loss. Last night I got a text from my twin. She recently moved to Kauai for a little, and my uncle, he actually watches my videos, and he told her, hey, you better tell Kasie that it's been more than 3 weeks, okay? I'm waiting. So thank you, Okareso. I'm gonna put all my other videos on hold to throw this one out at you guys real quick, update you guys. And also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join my little ohana that I have here. And also don't forget to hit that bell so you are notified when I do post. But yeah, you guys, let's go ahead, jump on the scale, make me some breakfast, and then we can go ahead and chat. Alright, you guys, so I have my pan here heating up. I did spray it down with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, and then here are most of my seasonings. As you can see, I love having everything facing forward. It's just a thing of mine. Even like all my canned goods, everything is facing forward. So I do have my egg whites here, and I am one where I like to season my eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I put in my eggs. So the first thing that I like to use is my Mrs. Dash seasoning. I used to use the original, but I ran out, so I think this morning I'm gonna go ahead and use the garlic one. These are salt-free seasonings. I'll show you guys the ingredients in the back. It also has 0 calories, pretty much 0 everything except 10 milligrams of potassium. So these seasonings are really good. You guys can find it at like Walmart and all that. So Mrs. Dash is definitely my favorite seasoning for like everything. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little of that. And then I also like to take some paprika in there, just a little. The next thing, I know you guys are gonna think this is so weird, but I love to put crushed red pepper. I love spicy food, so I love giving my eggs like a little bit of spice. So I'll throw some of this in there. And then the last thing that I like to throw into my eggs is my turmeric. Turmeric is supposed to be very, very good for you, so I literally just put a little bit in there, and it also helps like to add like the coloring for the egg because it's only egg whites. So now I'm just gonna whisk all of that together, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper, black pepper. Okay, so now that my pan is pretty much heated up, I like to buy a big bag of fresh spinach, and I just separate them into freezer bags like this, and I freeze them so they last longer. And I'm just gonna pull out maybe about like a half a cup or more. So I'm just letting that cook down before I add my eggs in. So anyway, while that is heating up, I also I'm going to put some green peppers in there. I buy fresh green peppers. I slice them up myself. I baggie them up. I just find it convenient to like buy your own, cut it up, freeze it, and then you can just pull it out when you need it. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'm gonna put it back in my freezer because I put it in when my omelet is pretty much done, and then I'll throw it on the pan to like heat up a little bit and then make my omelet, of course. Alright, you guys, I'm sorry, I wish I had a better way of showing you guys this. So that's pretty much heated up. So I'm just going to add my egg whites in there, and then that is what it's looking like so far. So I literally let this sit for like 5 minutes. I don't even touch it. because it's like a slow cook, you guys. It doesn't burn, but this way it does get thick enough where I can actually flip it, because if anybody has ever tried to make an egg white omelet, it's very, very hard to flip it and keep it in one piece because it doesn't have like the yolk as a binding. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna go ahead and make me a piece of toast to go with my omelet, and yeah, I'll update you guys when it's time to flip. And then guys, I don't always do this, but I have some cheese on me, so what the hey, I'm gonna add some today. And I don't go ham on it. I literally just sprinkle like a little light layer. So that is what it's looking like right now. Yum, guys. Yum. Brute approves. Now I'm going to turn it off and let it sit for a little bit so it can melt the cheese. And that is pretty much it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and plate it. I am going to go set up and so we can sit down, have a little chat, eat breakfast together, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is how my breakfast turned out, and I know I have like the ugliest piece of toast. But yeah, let's go ahead and eat that. I also have my matcha latte. Let's take a bite first and then we can talk about this. Let's go ahead and update my book since I am updating you guys now. Today is June 1st, 173.8. I'm gonna start putting the actual number that I see on this scale when I update, just so that I can get more like accurate readings. I'm not exactly sure what the exact number was when I did my last update. I'll have to go ahead and check that and then update my book. But from my last update, as you guys can see, on May 8th I was at 176 again, so now I'm at 173.8. That's not bad. I honestly feel like I could have had better results if I tried harder. This past weekend was Memorial Day weekend, and we barbecued. Like, we just ate really good that weekend, and I haven't been working out, sadly. I know I need to, but that was strictly from just like watching what I eat majority of the time, because I'll be honest, I do slip, especially on the weekends. The weekends are like the worst for me. That's what I really need to try harder to work on. But I mean, slow and steady, guys. You can't just lose weight like that, you know. So I'm just trying to be patient, take the little steps that I know I need to take. Hopefully my next update I'll be, you know, in a lower digit. I do plan to go and sign up for the gym. Good morning. Daddy's in the room. I think I waited a little too long to eat my toast. I'm just trying to like slowly stay motivated, and like I talked to my husband about it, because I feel like during the weekdays I do so well, like so well, but it's like when the weekends come around, I throw myself off so much, because it's like we're always like barbecuing or something, or going and eating out. But even when we go and eat out, I try to stick to like the healthier options when we do eat out, but sometimes it's really hard. I did express that to my husband, and I told him I wanted to sign up for the gym, and he's very supportive. So hopefully I can do like a update when I finally get into the gym, maybe do a gym vlog. It's not like a huge gym, and I think if I go at a certain time it won't be really full, so it shouldn't be an issue, but I'm gonna ask first, of course. But yeah, let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I went to TJ Maxx the other day and they had this on clearance, and I thought it was the cutest thing. It's a weekly meal planner, so it has Monday through Friday and then the weekend, and then it has like a section right here for like your grocery list, and it has like this big magnet right here, so I can just slap it on my refrigerator, like on the side of my refrigerator. It doesn't have like a lot of space for the day, and keep in mind you do have to do like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I thought that I would pick this up for myself so I can plan out my meals for the day to kind of like keep me on track. And I do want to eventually maybe get into meal planning again. Maybe it's just so convenient. You just have to like pop it into the microwave, heat it up, and that's it. Your lunch is done, you know. So we might get back into that if my husband wants to. I know he's been wanting to lose a bit of weight too, and like work on, you know, maybe some muscle definition. Yeah, daddy looks good, but men, they're never satisfied. If any of you guys are on your own like weight loss fitness journey, comment down below and let me know how are you doing so far in your journey. I just love hearing about everyone's progress, because you know, it keeps you motivated. I am happy that I at least lost weight this time.
Almost a book would come down on me and then I blowed it back. Yeah,
Ooh,
it was 1 hour and then I blowed it back.
He just woke up. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Tell Uncle Russell. Hi, Uncle Russell.
Hi, Uncle Russell.
You miss Uncle Russell?
Yeah.
And his chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, I wanted to see them. I wanted to see them if they laid an egg. And they had a baby chick.
We'll ask Auntie Kelsey to duo us next time so you can see the chickens.
You mean play us?
No, like video chat.
Oh.
But yeah, you guys, so that is pretty much my update. I did lose 3 pounds. Yay! I don't want to celebrate too soon because, you know, it's Friday. But I'm going to try to do good this weekend. I'm just excited to sign up for the gym, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Hopefully I can do like a gym vlog, my first day back at the gym or something, you know. But I only have like a few bites left on my plate. So I'm going to go ahead, finish that, probably make him some breakfast. So yeah, I do plan to update you guys. For anybody else on their own journey, I hope you guys are doing well. Remember, just keep yourself motivated. Don't get discouraged if, you know, your weight fluctuates. Everybody's weight is gonna fluctuate. And yeah, just stay positive, focus on your goal, and keep striving. Thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel a lot, and I appreciate it so much. You guys are beautiful, and I love you guys. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha.
Aloha.
Shaka.